Rocket Gaming. Ooh. Build forts on me, yo. I woke up Ninjeezy. Where to drop, what's the plan? I'm so high, I'm flying in. There's Bud Light by my bed. I just FaceTime Drake. I told him let's go play some duos. I knock him down and get a limb. I can finally get a win. Oh, I can play so well. Wonder if I can get a victory.
Wait, for real?
But can I really get a victory? Winner, a duo winner, a squad team winner, always a winner, a sniper winner, a top kill winner. Cause I'm a winner, 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 winner. Cause I'm the winner. I woke up in Ninja's body. Somehow my top turned into Fortnite all day. I'm so good now, I'm always winning these matches. It's way too late cause it's Fortnite Friday. Yeah, it's Fortnite Friday. I'm in Ninja's body. No longer a hobby and my hair turned blue.
Ring, ring, what's the deal? I woke up and I'm Nitro Loop. Nitro Loop? What's the deal? His life is real weak. Why's he have a console when he doesn't game at all? Logging into Twitch and ain't nobody watch my stream. Walking down the street and all the people look away. Ain't nobody wondering where I'm at. I guess this is kinda rad. I'ma go and play a game now and relax. Hey, I got fame but I can finally blend it. Why his hair ain't got no dye? Nitro Luke is lame, bruh. Way to find Nitro's body, Ninja is who? Hope my dogs will get groomed. Well, if I was Ninja, would I be? I'll be in the queue.
I woke up in Ninja's body. Somehow my top turned into Fortnite all day. I'm so good now, I'm always winning these matches. It's way too lit cause it's Fortnite Friday.
himself, maybe he might know where I be.
I phone out like a boss, popping toss while I jam. Tweet a clip of
I
myself.
lost his trending on Twitter? No! Now I'm back at home, I tell my wife what happened. I look down at my two puppies, they don't know who I am. I signal him to let me in, but he won't let me in.
I don't know who that is.
Wait, who the heck you think he is? Just a controller throwing it at Big Ninja's head. Stopped up to that awful game.
You're the king of the game. If you punch me, then you only win me.
Wait, I earned those skills.
You found the key, now we're switching back. I woke up feeling just somebody. Somehow I tried to put my all day. I'm so good now, I'm always winning these matches. It's way too late 'cause it's Fortnite Friday.
Wait, what's the deal?
Most job boards overwhelm you with the wrong resumes, which makes finding a great candidate like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's not smart. The smart way? ZipRecruiter. They actively find and invite qualified candidates to apply. So, while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter delivers great candidates. That's why smart businesses choose ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. Try ZipRecruiter now for free at ziprecruiter.ca/boost. That's ziprecruiter.ca/boost.
If you're a small business owner or you run a not-for-profit, join thousands of employers who will hire summer students with funding from the Government of Canada. Public sector employers and small businesses with 50 or fewer full-time employees can get 50% of the minimum hourly wage. Not-for-profit employers can receive 100% plus employment-related costs. Tap the banner for more info. A message from the Government of Canada.
Take control of your diabetes management decisions with the Contour Next One blood glucose meter and the Contour Diabetes app. It uses your personalized information to help you make smarter choices about your diabetes. Learn more about our meter and app at contournextone.ca.
What up, y'all? It's Scene in the builds, and when I'm in the game, I like to sell with my kills. You know that I am the king of Dusty. You're trying